So now we will demonstrate the operation of the software. First, we open Vision Expert. When that is opened up, we see the main components: the pattern inspection window, the color inspection window, and the user interface. So first we log in. We log in as operator, group operator, and password operator. Now we have placed in a color pattern into the fixture, and we have moved the LED into position. So now we start lot, and we will select the product type. So this product is Lancel Daily, and it is the orange color pattern. Next we select a lot number, and it's important to hit return so that the lot number turns blue. Now we click confirm start lot, and we're ready to inspect. So now we can click trigger or press the trigger button on the table. So the inspection is complete, and we can see the results for the pattern inspection are all the patterns are good. There are no defects found. The centration of each pattern is good. All passed. So for the color, it has inspected the color and passed all the color criteria. So now we'll put in a different pattern to verify that the system can identify an incorrect pattern and color. The mold is inserted into the fixture, and we trigger. So now we can see first the color. It has identified that the color is incorrect. It has failed all the color. It has done a centration test, and all the prints are centered. However, it is the wrong pattern, as we can see here. So we can continue to inspect this lot, and when we're finished we can complete lot. Now I will demonstrate clear layer inspection using the software. So first, we have already inserted a mold petal which has been printed with clear layer. It is inserted into the fixture and fixed in place. Next, we have already logged in. We're logged in as developer, but we can log in as operator also. Now we will start lot. We will select a product. So let's select clear template. Also we can select another clear layer product which we can set up. Now we will type a lot number and hit return to make the lot number blue. Now we lot start, and we're ready to inspect. So we can press the button or click trigger. So we can see the results on the inspection screen. Firstly, the mold has been found, the clear layer has been detected. However, the coating is not centered and the coating quality is not okay. So let's look a bit closer. The coating centration in the vertical is good, it's green. In the horizontal, it is 0.46 millimeters too far to the left, as we can see. So for an operator to correct this, they can adjust the print head and move the pads 0.5 millimeter to the right, and that should achieve full centration. So you can see some defects here. 2.6% of the surface area has defects on it. If we want to zoom in on that, we can see in more detail some of those defects. So we can see this red mark here. Zoom in. So we can see this scratch here in the coating is what we have picked up here. So we can use the system like a microscope almost. We can see here the edge quality on the inner diameter is not very good. So we can then rotate the fixture to the next mold position. Pad number 2, we can see this one also has some defects and it's not centered, so it needs to be recentered. So the pad needs to move to the right about 0.5 millimeter and down, moves up 0.5 millimeter. Let's continue to do some more inspections. Some more defects on the clear layer. So that's the clear layer inspection. So now we will demonstrate teaching a new pattern. For this we need to log in as developer. Select developer in group. Password is also developer. So first we insert the pattern, the printed molds in the fixture, and we trigger. Next we click set up new product. We'll give the new product a name. We hit return so that the name goes blue, and now click create. So now we follow the instructions on the screen. So we must take another picture. So trigger, and now we click teach current pattern, and again we follow the instructions. So this is the screen we will do the teaching in. First we must move, as the instructions say, we must move the teaching ring onto the inner side of the black mold ring. Now we click OK. Next we move the teach ring inside the printed ring, so in the center area. Click OK. Next we move the teaching ring to the outside of the print pattern. It's OK. Next we do again, move the teaching ring onto the inner side of the black mold ring. OK. Now we select the entire pattern. That's OK. And now we must select an area, a white area inside the pattern. So to zoom, we click here and drag. Click here again. So we select an area that has no print to calibrate the white level. It's OK. Next we select the entire region that has the mold. So you can see it's already selected. OK. And next we edit this region again. It's OK, it's already on that region. The entire mold is inside the yellow box. Okay. Next we find the edge of the print, a clean edge. So in this case the edge can be the outside of the print, since the inside is more variable. In some cases the inside diameter will be a more solid edge and the outside will be more variable. But in this case we will select the outside of the pattern. Select OK. Now we wait a couple of seconds and click on the screen, teaching complete. So now that pattern is saved in the software and an operator can select this pattern each time they run that product. So to test that, we will select Start Lot, select the Cell Daily Brown pattern, lot number, hit return to turn it blue, and then click Start. So now we put a mold in the fixture and we click Trigger. So now the inspection is complete. You can see it has recognized the color is correct, each pattern is correct, and the centration has all passed on all mold positions. So now we can continue with this lot, and that's it.